Financial safety tips: how to protect your money and stay secure. Learn essential financial safety tips to protect your money from fraud, scams, and online threats. A simple and practical guide for safe banking and smart financial habits. Introduction: in today's digital world, managing money safely is as important as earning it. Online banking, UPO payments, credit cards, and investment apps have made life easier, but they have also increased financial risks. This article shares simple and effective financial safety tips to help you protect your money and make secure financial decisions. 1. Protect your banking details. Never share sensitive information with anyone. Never share OTP, ATM, PIN, CVV, number, net banking passwords. Banks and financial institutions never ask for these details. 1. 2. Use strong passwords. Weak passwords make it easy for fraudsters. Tips: use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using birth dates or names. Use different passwords for different apps. Change passwords regularly. 3. Be careful with UPI and digital payments. Remember, QR codes are used to send money, not receive. Check receiver's name before confirming payment. Do not approve unknown payment requests. Set UPI transaction limits. 4. Avoid clicking unknown links. Fraudsters send fake links through SMS, email, and social media. Always verify the sender. Avoid links promising rewards or refunds. Type website URLs manually instead of clicking links. 5. Invest only in trusted platforms. Scams often appear as high return investment offers. Safety tips: avoid guaranteed return schemes. Use SEBI registered brokers and apps. Research before investing. Avoid tips from WhatsApp or Telegram groups. 6. Monitor your accounts regularly. Early detection can prevent major loss. Check bank statements, credit card bills, investment accounts. Report suspicious activity immediately. 7. Be cautious with loans and credit cards. Easy credit can lead to trouble if misused. Tips: read loan terms carefully. Avoid unnecessary credit cards. Pay EMIs and credit card bills on time. Never share card details. 8. Secure your devices. Your phone and laptop store financial data. Do this: lock devices with PIN or biometric. Install apps only from official stores. Update apps and software regularly. Use antivirus software. 9. Protect personal information. Oversharing can lead to identity theft. Avoid sharing Aadhaar and PAN copies unnecessarily, bank details on social media, personal information on unknown websites. 10. Educate family members. Elders and children are often targeted by scammers. Teach them not to trust unknown calls, not to share OTP or PIN to verify before paying. 11. What to do if you face financial fraud? Act quickly. Inform your bank immediately. Report at cybercrime.gov.in. Call Cybercrime Helpline 1930. Save transaction details and screenshots. Conclusion: financial safety is about awareness, caution, and smart habits. By following these simple financial safety tips, you can protect your money from fraud, scams, and unnecessary losses. Remember, staying alert today can save you from financial trouble tomorrow.